What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and we're back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, RPGHair. They sent me this highlighted lace front wig. Now, you guys, I did not bleach this hair at all. It came just like this out the box, highlighted and all. And I will say the highlights really look nice. They look professional, and I'm kind of excited to see how it's gonna look. Y'all, I swear I have the easiest ball cap method in the world. Ooh, okay, RPG. Looking like homemade highlights. Let me find out. Alright, so big lesson. I'm not going to glue this lace down until that middle part is laying down. So sometimes you're going to have to pull the lace down and cut it back so it can sit flat all the way around. And I don't know if you guys ever seen this, but if you glue the lace down before it's actually laying flat, your lace is going to be wrinkled. Listen, I got one word for y'all. Melty. Alright, so are we gonna do a middle part, side part? What y'all think? Wow, I'm literally obsessed with this highlight in the front. Okay, so before we finish our style, I'm gonna make sure I put some layers in it because I think I'm gonna do some really cute barrel curls today. All right, so about my curls. So usually I would do the curls going backwards on both sides, but for some reason I just felt like doing all the curls going the same way. So technically the curl on the right side is going to be going forward and the curl on the left side is going to be going back. So I'm just going to show you guys what this looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Once again, I had a lot of fun doing this style with my girl Scoob. Thank you so much RPG Hair for sponsoring this video. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, listen, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.